dream about a healthy planet. I dream about living myself a healthy, long life. This is what sustainability investing is all about. I have 3 children myself, so I am worried what sort of planet we leave to the next and the generation after. Back in '85, sustainability investing was very much a vision, and I think at that time it was very much in its infancy, but it did evolve over time. I mean, from what was originally more philanthropic type of investment became more ecological investing, eco-investing, green investing, to what we today consider sustainable investing. Real change to sustainable investing, I believe, has happened over the last 2 to 3 years. And one very key factor was Dr. Nicholas Stern, who back some 2 years ago was commissioned by the British government to look at the financial, economic impact of climate change. And I think that really changed people's mind. In '95, nobody really understood sustainability. It was interpreted differently. And I think by now, the world understands what it's all about. It took climate change to come up on us, probably, to realize. And it became evident that it is wrong to analyze companies only on the basis of their financial strength. It became evident that you needed to incorporate in your financial analysis and thereby in your investment process, non-financial aspects. High net worth individuals here have different decision-making processes as opposed to institutionals. A private individual can easily decide, whereas institutional clients will have to go through committees. And you can clearly show that companies that do introduce sustainability in their day-to-day activities will outperform companies that don't. We believe that microfinance is an integral part of sustainability at large, and it's interesting to see that the paying morale, the repayment morale actually of these rural people in the underdeveloped countries is much, much higher than what we currently see in the more developed world actually. What we will be challenged in the future are aspects like demographic changes. The world population will be growing to 10 billion people by the year 2050. Coupled with that, you have urbanization, increased industrialization, you have an increased waste consumption, if you like, scarcity of commodities, scarcity of water, etc., etc.
Impacts of climate change in China is severe. They have experienced increased number of heat waves in the summer, floods in the south, snow disaster in the west, and scientific research predicts that this will further intensify and sea level will increase at a faster pace.
Politicians will be forced to increasingly invest in those aspects, in infrastructure, etc., etc. Plus, I believe that the current financial crisis will have a dramatic impact on the way we invest and also on the regulation that are imposed on companies in terms of corporate governance, risk management and the like. I will also spell the gospel to my more private environment and not just the professional environment. I think that's my legacy. Plus I have an energy efficient house, so I do pay attention to these matters.